report makamano. Wan mbele nyakora mgajuangi weche manyien kaduogi nyake county ma Nairobi kwa ng'iyo mago motenre kod weche mag somo. Jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Machogu oyie mar neno ni jopuonjre duto manoyudo grade mar mbalariany penj mar klas 12 mondo mi odonji e mbalariany mag piny owacho mabiro bang' committee mar od bura marango kaka ichano chenro mag piny owacho kendo jatelo no tago maliet bang' ripode moko yango ne gichano chwalo jopuonjre moko e mbalariany mag ji giwegi mabiro mana ndalo achiel bang' jatend piny Kenya William Ruto biro kod yo manyien mar chwalo somo mag mbalariany kod TVET.
Apart from funding and financial programs, there is also the issue of governance, there is the issue of management, which as a ministry we are also trying to deal with, such that we get the correct and the right men and women in the university councils, we get the right vice chancellors who will also be undertaken through the necessary training in management so that we get it right. We have decided as follows, that any student, any parent will make a choice of the university that he wants to go. If you choose Nairobi University, for example, you want to do medicine, you have an A, you will be able to know the fees structure of Nairobi University, fee May University, which is also offering the same course medicine, so that you go to that particular university.
It is very clear that we have capacity in our universities, and when we say we leave it for students to choose between private and public, then it just means we are at the same spot. Yes. We are in the same position and we're in the same spot.
County